Hey guys, so I found this meat while strolling aimlessly in the supermarket the other day. And no, it's not normal beef. It does look like beef and smells like beef, but most certainly it's not beef. It's vegan beef. So what's the best thing to try vegan meat with? I wanted to try lasagna, but let's try something simple this time. So why not make bolognese, but vegan? So with our finger crossed, let's see how this ends up. The idea is simple. We make a normal bolognese recipe, but add the vegan meat. So for that, we will need 2 onions, chop that up into fine bits, 2 garlic cloves, chop that up to 2 celery sticks, chopped, 2 carrots, trim, get a grater, grate the carrots. Lastly, for added taste, 2 sprigs of rosemary. Personally, I like to add a 6-pack of cherry tomatoes. Yes, they are a bit chubby, but they are cherry tomatoes. They add a bit of sweetness to the dish. Now over medium heat, we add 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add the onions and the garlic, keep searing them for around 10 minutes or so they can add a nice flavor to the oil. And as you can see, I added more oil because I just felt like it needed more oil. So don't be scared to add more oil. This is not a diet advice though. And then we add the celery, carrots and rosemary. Stir everything together for around 5 to 10 minutes until everything is slightly softened. Then we will make space in which we drop the vegan meat in. Keep breaking the meat until every last bit is browned. Since it's a lot stickier than the normal meat, it took me a bit more time to break all of it. Then we are adding 2 tins of tomato sauce, which has tomato chunks in it. So what I did for the first one is, after emptying it, I filled it with water to clean the leftovers in it. Zero waste at all. You can also do that for the second one, but my pan was reaching its limits. As you can see, I'm trying to mix all of this without making a huge mess out of it. And then we will add the cherry tomatoes. The plan was to add 6, but I felt like it was a bit too much, so I added just 4 or 5. So I'm using just a normal veggie stock here. Alternatively, you can use these stock cubes thingies. And now we can add our veggie stock and add 2 of these leaves. Then we add some salt, pepper, dried basil, dried oregano and paprika. Mix everything together until everything is perfectly mixed together. Let them simmer for 15 minutes or so, and then turn the heat down to low and let it cook for at least 1 hour.
One eternity later.
After around 1 hour, we have the thick, delicious looking bolognese. It looks so thick I would jump right into it. So all we have to do right now is serve this with some professionally boiled spaghetti. And we have to try it. Okay, let's give it a try. Maybe it's not like the real thing, but it tastes good in a different way. It's a bit like a different taste, but the same consistency. And since I'm not vegan, let's make it a bit vegetarian and add some parmesan. Okay, I dig that. It's pretty good, I would say. To be honest, I would eat this instead of meat. It has a unique taste. So yeah, you win this time, vegans. Okay, people, give it a try. Let me know how you liked it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.